If you're earning money from YouTube or a website and wondering how to actually receive your money from Google Adsense, this video will walk you through it step by step. First, sign into your Adsense account. Make sure your earnings have reached the payment threshold, which is usually $100. Until you reach this amount, Google will not send payments. Next, you need to add and verify your payment details. Go to Payments, then Payment Settings, and add your bank account information. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your Adsense account name. After that, Google will send a small test deposit to your bank account. Check your bank statement, then return to Adsense and confirm the amount to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you must set up your tax information if required. This step is very important, especially for YouTube creators. Payments are usually sent once a month, between the 21st and 26th, directly to your bank account. If everything is set correctly, you don't need to do anything else. Google will automatically send your earnings every month. That's how you receive payments from Google Adsense. Simple, safe, and fully automatic.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.